Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to open 3 Pokemon Tins. These are the Galarian Birds from Crown Zenith. So in each one of these tin boxes we're going to have 4 booster packs of Crown Zenith, one of the promo cards, and code for the online game. And we're going to open the 3 of them in one go, hopefully to get something really cool. You can see the statistics, the pull rates, and generally how the promo cards look up close. So we'll start by opening everything and then we'll get into the opening. So we'll just get the wrapping off. It's pretty nice boxes to display, the black and the birds on them. It's very nice. So as you can see, these are the birds. It looks pretty awesome. In each one we're gonna have really cool designed promo card. We're gonna sleeve it in a moment, and as I said, 4 booster packs and just empty tin box. So just gonna take everything out. More space to show you the opening. And yeah, we'll definitely get something cool. So out of the 3 tins we have 12 booster packs from Crown Zenith. It's a great set. I have my sleeves from Ultra Pro. I'm gonna sleeve any good hit or generally shiny card. So we'll start with the Zapdos. You just slightly move it away, and then you have the code card. This is the Crown Zenith Galarian Zapdos, and this is the Galarian Moltres, actually my favorite out of the 3 designs actually. So yeah, Crown Zenith Galarian Moltres. And for the final one we have Galarian Articuno from Crown Zenith. So these 3 birds are actually promo cards from the Sword and Shield era. This is Sword and Shield 284, very majestic, and this is Sword and Shield 283, Zapdos. And we got the Galarian Articuno, which is Sword and Shield 282. So very pretty promo cards. And we also got the great set Crown Zenith. 12 packs to go. Let's see how many hits we can get from the tins. So if you're looking to open some Pokemon products or Crown Zenith, you can check the links below. I will link the products as well as the sleeves. You're welcome to grab any code card for the online game for free. And yeah, let's all enjoy opening Pokemon cards, trade and play. It's a real cool game, very awesome for collectors, and yeah, just a great game for over 27 years. So second pack we got holographic energy. No other major hit. This is reverse. Let's see, I guess we're gonna have from each tin 2 hits, so we should have 8, something like that. We'll see. Here we go, another one. We got the Duskull. This one is the GG28 Galarian Gallery out of 70. And we also got the Mewtwo, so 2 hits from 1 pack. That's great. And that's what makes Crown Zenith such a great set. It's very fun to open. You just get tons of stuff and it's a pretty big set, so you don't get bored so fast. So you can open easily 100 packs and just enjoy opening them. Okay, no hit from that one. That's okay. This was equal to 1 tin box, so yeah, got 2 hits. I don't know if to count the energy. I don't think so, but we'll see. Okay, we got another hit in the back. Galarian Gallery 14 comfy. Great. Just awesome. Usually tin boxes have a pretty decent pull rate compared to others. And this is a holiday set, so if you want to open some packs, you have the option to buy tins, mini tins, elite trainer boxes, or V boxes, but there are no booster boxes. So we got holographic water energy. Okay, these are not the numbered ones, but they're nice. Okay, Crushing Hammer reverse and no hit. Another one. Kind of usually I do each individual tin separately, but I decide to do them all at once because we have so many card openings in the near future, so I need to speed things up a bit. We got Kyogre V as a hit. That's nice. V card. Well, maybe we can do some organizing right now, so you can see how it's going. We have 4 more packs. Let's see. I figure we should get like at least 2 more hits. Hopefully something good. Okay, so no from this one. Still cool. Really wanted this trio for my collection, and you know, it's always good to have some cards for trade, and maybe I get some card to my binder toward completion. So we got another hit in the back. We have Miltank, very cool card. Let's take a closer look. Very nice. Galarian Gallery 24. Very nice card. 2 more packs to go. Let's see if we can get some texture. Alright. So, we got some Radiant card. Radiant Eternatus. Okay. That's nice. Very shiny. You can see the pattern of the holo. Very nice. Okay, and for the last pack, let's see what we got. Okay, and ending this video with Leon signature card. Very nice. They're not rare, but they're really pretty. You can see. Very nice card. So yeah, we got, let's do a recap, bunch of reverse holos, stack of Crown Zenith cards on the side. And for the hits, yeah, okay. So we got 2 V cards, 3 Galarian Gallery, 1 from each, you can say. We have 1 holo, 1 radiant, 2 holo energy cards, and we also got the main event, the 3 Galarian Birds promos from the Tins, and of course you have the Tins themselves, which are pretty nice looking. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, it would be great if you like, share, comment or subscribe, and I'll see you next time.